The challenges with this study is that there was a previous study that combined a SYK inhibitor drug with a PI3 kinase inhibitor and showed significant toxicity. That was the really first time that there was a dual targeting of the B-cell receptor pathway. So we decided to take a different approach, and rather than targeting SYK, to target BTK. And rather than using an older delta-specific inhibitor of PI3 kinase, we used a newer molecule called umbralisib, which is a selective PI3 kinase inhibitor. It also targets casein kinase 2. And so basically the idea here was to use two very well-tolerated drugs to target these two different parts of the pathway and really try to prove that this could be a safe and effective strategy. So we were able to accrue 42 patients to the study, 21 with CLL, 21 with mantle cell. These were all relapsed refractory patients, generally with at least 1 to 2 lines of prior therapy. Few of them had had prior ibrutinib as a monotherapy, but they weren't refractory to ibrutinib. They had maybe started it, but were still in the first few months of treatment.